in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Atong iduko ang atong mga ulo. Atong ibutang ang atong tagsa-tagsa ka presensya sa atong buhi nga Dios. Katong gusto nga mag-sign of the cross, o katong dili, atong iduko atong mga ulo. Magampo ta. Kanimo Dios, dalay kong ikaw sa walay katapusan. Ikaw ang Dios sa mga Dios, hari sa mga hari, tag-iya sa mga hinulamang kinabuhi. Ikaw ang Dios ng Abraham, ni Isaac, ug ni Jacob. Ikaw usab ang buhay nga Dios, nga mo ginalagaran hangtod ni mga orasa. Salamat kayo Ginoo. Una sa tanan sa kinabuhi nga imong gipahulam kanamo. Nga taliwala sa mga pagsulay sa tibuok kagabion, imo kami yatagan ug mayong katulugon, gipabangon mo kami sa iyong kabutagon, alang sa pagpasalamat kanimo Dios. Dalay kong ikaw sa walay katapusan. Lining kabutagon Ginoo, amo ikaw nga gitawag, amo ikaw nga gisangpit tungod sa pagkamaayo Ginoo. Bisan sa pagkamasalaypon, sa pagmakasasala, apan o Dios, ikaw sa kanunay. Wala magmakuli sa imong ganunggan sa pagpaminaw sa among mga pangiliupo. Ngini kabuntagon Ginoo, kami naghanggap kanimo, ikaw mga panalangin ka namong tanan, gikan sa mga head of offices, hangtod sa mga empleyado, sa mga personahe sa PNP, personahe sa Bureau of Fire, o sa tanang ahinsya sa gobyerno Dios, sa tanang katawhan tibuok kalibutan. Ikaw Ginoo, mga panalangin, magabantay kang mga dawa, o galiin, imo kami pagatagan sa kanunay, sa kapiskay, sa panglawas. Ilikay kami Dios sa tanang balatihan, ang pili kami Ginoo, uban sa imong panalangin o grasya, o kiningtanan, ang pagdawaton, uban ang kapasayloan sa mga kalapasan, sa ngalan ng Gahong ni Kristo Jesus, umang luwas. Amen.
Alam ng puso sa simoy buhay, lupang hinirang, luyang siya ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisi, sa yakat bulok, sa simoy at sa langit buko, may lagang tula at awit sa kagayang nilamahal, ang isap ng mga tawad mo'y tagumpay na nagdinig, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pa may magdinig. Lupa ng araw ng walating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Abigaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Itaas natin ang ating kanang kamay at sabay-sabay na bigkasin ang panunumpa ng lingkod bayan. Ako ay isang lingkod bayan. Pangangalagaan ko ang tiwalang pinagkaloob ng mamamayan. Maglilingkod ako ng may malasakit, katapatan at kahusayan na walang kinikilingan. Magiging mabuting halimbawa ako at magbibigay ng pag-asa at inspirasyon sa aking kapwa lingkod bayan. Lilinangin ko ang aking sariling kakayahan upang sa lahat ng panahon ay mapaglingkuran ko ng buong kahusayan ang sambayanan. Hindi ako makikibahagi sa mga katiwalian sa pamahalaan. Pipigilan at isisiwalat ko ito sa pamamagitan ng tama at angkop na pamamaraan. Isa sa buhay ko ang isang lingkod bayan ng Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Tutugon ako sa mga hamon ng makabagong panahon tungo sa adikain ng matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay. Sa mga tungkulin at hangaring ito, kasihanawa ako ng may kapal. Ang Tudela, Redisi.
Ang derang luhaan na lungsod, sa Kristo, sikin, pagpunasad, yutay na paraiso, sa mga saan, ang matawan, ilig, gamitukma, kay lakad ang karagatan, sa kalog, ilas sa kaligtasan, ayon sa nagkakit karun, kanya kami nakahulang, pinuksan ang mga dukan, ayaw yun pakyasa, pag-iisita, sa Tudela, sa Tudela, ang Tudela dapit nga naman ko, sa talimog ang sabihan, dagang taong sa sinampi, sa talimog gawing hindi mga sakit, pilis ang pasigay, muban ka sa hudya ka, sa Binalban Festival, magtayon kami, nagkapit kahon, kaya kami nagawulat, binuksan ang mga lupan, ayaw yun pagkasa, pagbisita, sa Tudela, sa Tudela, sa Tudela, sa Tudela.
Good morning, LGU Tudela. Good morning to our municipal officials, headed of course by our Honorable Mayor Samuel L. Parvino, and to our Vice Mayor, Honorable Stella Stanyo, and to our SB members who are present today. Good morning once again. Siguro medyo special ang atuang Monday today because of our recognized na mga athletes during the NM-RAA. With that, the athletes from Tudela excelled during the NM-RAA 2024 held in Camiguin from May 13 to 17, 2024 in high jump secondary level, secured the gold medal. Additionally, the Taekwondo and volleyball teams, boys and girls categories achieved the silver medal. The LGU of Tudela and the Sangguniang Bayan extends warm congratulations to these victorious athletes. Their dedication, effort, and determination have not only brought pride to the school but also to our entire municipality. Once again, atuang palakpakan, atuang mga athletes. Dili lang sila, no, kundi tanang nag-represent sa municipality of Tudela. This morning, I am pleased to present to you our athletes and coaches. Namely, to our volleyball boys silver medalist winner, secondary level from San Isidro Academy, Sir Rio Gift Lee Alicando. Atong hangiyon na itong mga athletes once mentioned, no, atong ipakita ang hilang hulagway good sa Tibuok LGU Tudela family. And also we have John Gerard Caharte. Ayos na ulam, sir. Number 3, we have Daini Kipi Ramil. Okay, sorry kayo sa uban ng mga mispronounce nga name siguro, no? We also have Ivan Philip Oling, Dan Vincent Agawin, Francis Troy Magadan, RJ J. Tan, Axel John B. Halanon, Cyril James Tan, Juven Abergas, Adrian J.T. De Leon, Jesus V. Akuram Jr. We also have our volleyball girls silver medalist, winner secondary level, San Isidro Academy. We have Ashley Jean Caragoso. We also have Isel Amil, April Lafuente, Dayan Dapitan. We have Galda Mir Lumarda, Edshel Chris Halasan, Maylene Infiel, Tricia May Rubio, Ray Ann Habines, Jana Torres. And also, these athletes, dili gyud pod makakabot sa mga medal nilang dawat without the help of their coaches. We would like to acknowledge also Coach Theodore Salvacion, the volleyball coach, girls from San Isidro, and also Sir Roy C. Bujungan, volleyball boys. And with our school principal, Ma'am Honey May G. Lagas. So again, LGU family, these are our athletes with their coaches and principal for volleyball girls and boys. And I would like also to present to you our Taekwondo silver medalist, winner, San Isidro Academy. First, we have Jesme Pajardo. And our high jump gold medalist, winner, Tidakos, Rolex M. Verja. Represented by the mother of our gold medalist, Miss Feha. And with the school principal of Tidakos, Mr. Green Kabatuan and Ricardo M. Vidal. And also we would like to acknowledge Ma'am Shah from Tidakos also. Okay, in this juncture, we will present to the athletes the recognition or the certificate. We would like to request our SB members and also our Vice Mayor and Mr. Nicanor Balaso to represent the Honorable Mayor as we present our certificates to them. Okay, ali mo mga konsihal. Tadsa-tadsaon siguro nato no atong basahon ng certificate, then certificate atong hatag sa first volleyball girls, then volleyball boys. Yes. Before giving up the certificate, I would like to read the certificate. Certificate of recognition is awarded to for being the silver medalist winner in the volleyball boys tournament secondary level during the NM RAA held at Camiguin on May 13 to 25, 2024. Your dedication, hard work, and passion have brought pride and honor to the municipality of Tudela. Given this first day of July 2024 at Tudela, Misamis Occidental, signed by the Honorable Vice Mayor Stella R. Ubustanyo and to our Municipal Mayor Honorable Samuel L. Carolino. First certificate is given to R.J. J. Tan. Si Coach. Another certificate, same quotation, given to Sir Ivan Philip T. Oling. Certificate of Recognition for Volleyball Boys Tournament Second Level, Adrian J. Dalion. Same certificate is given to Sir Francis Choi Magadan. Same certificate is given to Sir Axel John Halalon. Same certificate is given to Sir Jesus Akuram Jr. Same certificate, Volleyball Boys, given to Sir Joven Abergas. Same certificate of recognition given to Sir Azayo James Stan. Certificate of recognition given or awarded to Dwayne K. Ramil. Same certificate of recognition given to John Gerald Caharte. Certificate of recognition awarded to Sir Rio Gift Lee Alicando. And certificate of recognition for Volleyball Boys Tournament Secondary Level awarded to Dan Vincent Agawi. Congratulations, boy category for volleyball second level. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Mr. Roy C. Bujungan, Coach, in grateful recognition of your exceptional dedication and unwavering support and outstanding mentorship. Your commitment to nurturing talent, fostering growth, and instilling the values of teamwork and sportsmanship has made a profound impact on the lives of countless individuals. Your passion for coaching transcends the boundaries of the field, inspiring athletes to reach beyond their limits and empowering them to achieve their fullest potential. Your leadership, guidance, and encouragement have not shaped champions but also cultivated a culture of excellence and camaraderie within our community. Given this first day of July 2024 at Tudela, Misamis Occidental, signed by Municipal Vice Mayor Stella R. Ubud-Stanyo and Municipal Mayor Samuel L. Parullo. Again, the certificate is given to Roy C. Bujungan, Coach. Certificate of recognition for being a silver medalist winner in Volleyball Girls Tournament Secondary Level during NMRAA at Camiguin on May 13 to 25, 2024 is given to Ma'am Golda Mir Lumarda. Same certificate of recognition is awarded to Ma'am Dayan Dapitan. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Ray Ann Habines. Same certificate is awarded to Mylene E. Impiel. Same certificate of recognition is awarded to Jara R. Torres. Same certificate is given to Tricia May L. Rubio. Same certificate is awarded to April M. Lafuente. Same certificate is awarded to Ma'am Isil Amir. Same certificate is awarded to Ashley Jane Paragoso. Same certificate is awarded to Edshel Chris M. Halasan. Okay, let's give the certificate of recognition also to the coach of our volleyball girls team. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Mr. Chidor D. Salvacion. Certificate of recognition for being the silver medalist winner in the Taekwondo tournament during the NMRA held at Camiguin. This award is given to Miss Jessamay M. Pajardo. And a certificate of recognition for being the gold medalist winner in the long jump or high jump tournament during the NMRA held at Camiguin on May 13 to 25, 2024. Your dedication, hard work, and passion have brought pride and honor to the municipality of Tudela, given this first day of July 2024 at Tudela, Misamis Occidental. Signed by Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Stella Stanyo, and Municipal Mayor Samuel L. Carujillo. The certificate is awarded to Rolex M. Freja. And you will receive also the check amounting 5,000 pesos from LGU Tudela, supported by the incentive ordinance passed last year. Tumpapakan ang atuang SB members, our athletes, our coaches. Okay, we would like to give also the certificate to same citation sa mga awards or certificate given to our coaches. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Ricardo M. Vedat. Same certificate is awarded to Henry G. Lagas, our principal from San Isidro Academy. And same certificate of recognition is awarded to Sir Glenn D. Kabatuan, our principal sa Tudnakos, to be claimed or presented by Ma'am Shah. Atong pakpakan again, LGU family. Ang naghatag og pride sa atong LGU Tudela. We would like to request our athletes, Mamu Anidri sa center, as instructed ni Sir Nate.
Hindi na magpirmahan ba? Amo ni? Magpirmahan ba? Ang ngalan sa iyang mama na isulat. Hindi na
While nag-picture ang atuang municipal officials, with our athletes and coaches and principals, I would like to read the resolution na napasa sa SB last June 25, 2024. This resolution is number 24-168. A resolution giving an incentive to Jessamine M. Fajardo of San Isidro Academy of Tudela Incorporated, Shati, for winning the silver medal in the Women's Taekwondo in the Regional Northern Mindanao Athletic Association Meet, or NMRAA, in Dunedin. Whereas, Jessamine Fajardo had brought honor and prestige not only Shate, but as well as the municipality of Tudela by winning the silver medal in the Women's Taekwondo event. Whereas it is but fitting that she be given a cash incentive for her hard-earned achievement to be charged to SB grants and contributions pursuant to Municipal Ordinance number 23-20. Now therefore resolved to give Jessamine Fajardo of Shati cash incentive to be taken from the GAC budget of SB. Resolved finally that a copy of this resolution is furnished to budget, accounting, and treasury offices for their knowledge and guidance. Adopted this 25th day of June 2024 on joint sponsorship. I hereby certify to the correctness of the foregoing, Secretary to the Sanggunian, Jose Alfonso Insinarial, and attested by Rosito Tampur Jr., the acting presiding officer. So again, this resolution is furnished to Ma'am Jessamine Fajardo, who will receive a cash incentive pursuant to the Municipal Ordinance number 23-20. But for the information of everyone, ang nahatag na check is only for our gold medalist. So to follow pa ang check sa atuang silver medalist Taekwondo women category. Another resolution, number 24-169, a resolution congratulating the men and women volleyball team of San Isidro Academy of Tudela Incorporated for winning the silver medal in the men and women volleyball event in the Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association Meet, NMRAA. Abosan ngayon si Ma'am Lagas to receive this copy of resolution, and also Ma'am Jessamine Fajardo.
Ang mama dito mula ang kama taekwondo.
Resolution. Resolution giving the cash incentive to Ma'am Fajardo, and resolution congratulating the whole Shate.
Mana nana, kuha na ko. Hey, Julie, ikaw man siya na ayaw na ang sa
We would like to request our athletes, coaches, teachers, principals to please proceed at the SB session hall for kuan lang, banding gamay with the SB and for your snacks also for today. So, would like to give, okay, atong ihatag sa ni Vice Mayor and Mike for some announcements siguro, and
Uwi. Mrs. Uwi ito.
Gamay na kayo eh. Mahuman naman tayo. Congratulations to all the winning athletes of Trubella. So, pakpakan ko sila once again. And then of course, I would like to recognize yung balita na katag yung award. Manang Ordinance number 23-20, authored and sponsored by Nules Dan, our former Federated SK Chairman, Giselle Camparong Policar. So, pakpakan our presently our LBYO. LYDO. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vice, for gamay na recognition. So, ini instruction.
Thank you, our LYD, our former SK Federated President. 5 years po siya na nag-serve as SK Federated President. And thank you for authoring the significant resolution. Now we are able to recognize our talents, our local talents na ato yung ikapanghinambog dili lang diri sa ato, but regionally and nationally. Thank you also to our coaches and teachers for wholly supporting your students, not just academically but also in sports. Before we proceed, give me this, I would like to take this opportunity to recognize and acknowledge our new Bureau of Fire Protection Padala officer in charge. Siya lang ako ipaila-ila because apelido ko po ako nailahan ka, sir. So let us all welcome the new officer in charge of BFP Padala.
Sir, good morning, sir. May buntag na ito tanong? Nakulit ilan rin pag Mr. Lisa, Linisil. Wala na yung forever ka ito si Opaming. Nakaling ko sa sagawa ng minister, ako di ka ko klaro din, ako di ka rin. Pero di ka ko klarin din. Daghang kayong salamat. Nakakuan man ko ninyo, nakakortesin ako. Si Vice man, wala ko kakortesin, kahit ang itago sa mga ng Vice, ay buntag. Sa ato mga SB member, mga department heads, daghang kayong salamat ko na kay Gagit. Welcome na naman ko ninyo. Wala ko kadoon sa mga SB member. Vice, magsita ni. Dahil nadugang ng mga congress, ng mga susunod sa mga public, sa amin ay ang namang euro mag-diling sa hindi. Dahil, ako alam abot kami sa mga congress kaas. Dako ko pasalamat ko kayo dito. Suway na ito sa mga department heads. Ilang ko mga employee sa Bristolila. Na welcome ko din lang. Karoon, nagagani ni, kita mo, naglaing mo uniform. Nagagani kay Nai Pronover, na-apoy kuhan, karang mag-official mayor o may kuhan. Ang guys ka na, ang mo. Magkasuroy ko yung pumisin yung opisina. Ako na isip Audrey ang hindi ko nagumpal. Kaya malaki ko. Ako yung maol na tuloy ni April Otame na OIC Fire Marshal sa Tudela. Hinaot ko nga mawilta po ko ninyo sa inyong municipality. Doon lang ko, hindi ka nang bulag din na nakibigay. Daghang kayo salamat, dito na sa akong operasyon. Ako lang nanunggong mag-amping sa tanong sa sunod. Aliyog lang yun. Ayaw sa ugay sunog, ayaw sa ginitang mong live bukuan video. Tawag usa daan haron mas prudihan ako usa mo mag-live video. Isa gini kaluwasan, kaya dili ta magbauswang na ato ang lungsod kung naay sige sunog.
Ang bigat kay ay.
Tawag niya, dagat kay mga nibig, kaya may sunugan, makahit na ginapaginapan sa lungsod. Dili ka pag-isigi na. Kaya istorya naman gawin sa mga department. So, siguro, siguro na nag-istorya. So, daghang kayo salamat. Kailan, ay mag-ulang ko diyan nga kauban. Ano lang, ready? Kinig mga pagkukasan, ready? Dali, datong ma-relieve o datong kwan, datong ma-relieve o datong kwan. Ako yung incoming na kwan. Kaya lang yan mo ba? Ako piliin na sa?
Ayun is Senior Fire Officer 1, kailan na pagkata lobby presently residing at Bird Subdivision sa City.
Good morning to everyone. I am Fire Officer 2, Lady B. Jamila Lau. Na-assign ko last November sa Ozamis, dayon na-reassign na po sa Plaridel, dayon. Thank God, nabalik ko din sa Tudela. Thank you.
Good morning sa tanan. Ako si Owan Chris Sander Malasan. Gikan ko sa Menes Bisbal Fire Station.
Good morning sa tanan. Ako rin si Fire Officer 1 ang Bumasol Emphasis. Ikan ko sa Tudela Fire and starting today, ma-transfer na sa Menes Fire Station. Maraming salamat.
So, batoy bago, ang atong incoming o outgoing, isang kabog na, incoming na ito, dito yung. Ma'am, Vice, salamat kayo sa Mayor Brim. Salamat kayo tanan.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Kagumbay, and
Nagsan, Vice, kanang naaraw pa tayo meeting karong ko, ano, di ba? Nag-incoming na ito meeting karong 4, 5, 6. So, dito po agad inform na gina. Naani regional command conference karong 4, hindi ka itchatris. O, mag-delegate lang siguro ng katagong. Gusto tayo na kung atubang sa kuhan yung tanan, nag-advise po ko, tapos, kay mama at tatanan. Magkabala lang ko yung naakit. Salamat.
okay, thank you so much, Sir Kagumbay, and the whole BFP Tudela Force, no? Please know that you are most welcome here in Tudela, and to the outgoing Sir Al, daghan king gisayangan to wala kung may mahimo. No, naa ko ba tayo lang announcement? Anyway, July 5 is our joint meeting, MPOC and MADAC. If I am not mistaken, July 5, Friday, at the holding area. And number 4, NIAC and LCTC. Yeah. Joint meetings, 2 consecutive day. LCTC and NIAC on the 4th, and on the 5th is the MADAC and MPOC. Okay? So, I believe there's another announcement from our LDRMO1, Ms. Chaya. Ms. Chaya and Mr. Jimmy Atilan.
Good morning sa tanan. Very good kaya start sa ito second half sa 2A. So, July, as we all know, asa nga ang July nga month? Nutrition month. But it is also declared as the National Disaster Resilience Month, and kanang naatay joint initiative sa MDRRMC, sa ato ang Municipal Nutrition Council, MNC, sa ato ang Municipal Peace and Order Council, and sa Municipal Anti-Drug Abuse Council. So, daghan to nga councils, no? And sa ato ang Mendro, naatay gitawag og Bida Run, no? Bida Run para sa kalikasan, kalusugan, at kaligtasan kontra droga this coming July 5 also. Pero at 6 a.m. siya. So, ang assembly area na to, kay diri sa Municipal Quadrangle, and everybody is very welcome to register. Na atay registration fee na i-collect to defray expenses para sa ato ang supplemental feeding program. So, 50 pesos para sa mga employees and 20 pesos para sa mga students or katong wala pa ng trabaho. So early registration per agency or group is strongly advised para ma-maximize yun nato ang time for bidder run. Kay mas galas ko sure start na nato ang run if malate no. And free kits will be given to 100 first registrants. So for more information and details, ato lang i-contact si Miss Amor Dampor or si Miss Giselle Policar. Ato ang LYDO. So see you and together let us be
Pila ka kilometers? Pila ka kilometers? Wala. Pila ka kilometers? Ano nga po? Magsugod.
Kami ko ang nylon, taagi,
Ana,
balik kami sa munisipyo. Anyway, sumpay ato, ang mga committee ato na tayo meeting at 2 p.m. So, follow-up meeting ato ng pilot karon, no? Under sa mayor's office, representative, LYDO, Ma'am Amor sa SB, DRR Tourism, DILG, si Sir Jill, PNP, and DFE. Kung din available na itong representative kay we need to final the program kay happy na ba June 5 so kailangan passport na sorry July 5 sorry so wala to meeting ayaw kalimot importante kayo atong i-final ang atong program otherwise militize na pita no malaw siya atong program so kailangan snap yung program so thank you very much good morning.
Okay, thank you so much. Is napabatay announcement? The morning is still so young pa now. But anyways, if wala na tayo lakang announcement, so daghan kayong salamat ka atong tanan. Let's start our Monday right, Maling Tadela. Kaya na itong tanan.